Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So I'm here today with a really cute short style. She's by Zury Sis and she's one of their sassy razor chick wigs. She's called BONI and I have her in the color SOMRT27/30. Now this is what the stock card looks like, and the color that the model is wearing is a green light, and it actually looks really pretty. I wouldn't have mind getting it in this color, to be honest. The color is really pretty. Now this is one of their hand-tied V-part wigs, and that just means that it has a V-parting space right here. So it's like a V-part up here. It's a lace part. You can add powder to it and stuff like that. And I get what they're trying to do. Now I am going to add some heat. I'm not leaving it like this actually. I am going to finish, you know, fixing it up and stuff like that. I'm going to add some heat up top. I just want to... It says here that it's heat safe up to... Is my thing on? Why does it feel hot? Okay, it's hot. It says that it's heat safe up to 400 degrees, so you could add heat to it. I just want to flatten down up here a tad bit because I don't really like how, you know, poppy it is. So I'm just going to flatten it out a little bit. I actually really like this because of how it comes to the face, like forward like this. I really like that. I'm going to flatten down here a little bit also because it looks a little bit puffy right there. So you could comb it down like really neat into a boy cut, and if you want to you can trim the front like right here and make it into like a blunt bang. I kind of prefer how it is right now, how it came straight out of the box, like with the little peak right here. So you can fluff it up if you want to, like, you know, you don't have to wear it like neat and just straight down, if you get what I'm saying. But yeah, I kind of really like this. I think I'm going to make this into a giveaway for those of you who are into short wigs. I don't really give away a lot of short wigs, but for those of you who are into short wigs, you can definitely take part in this giveaway. I think she's such a cute style. If you're into this type of styles, she's so cute. And it comes in so many other pretty colors. This is what it looks like. This is it. If you have any questions about this unit, leave it in the comment section down below. It has a light yaki hair texture, and the cap, it comes with 2 combs up front, 1 at the back, the adjustable straps. It's a regular cap construction apart from that, but like I said, I think the style is super cute if you're into short units. And like I said, take part in the giveaway if you want to win yourself this beautiful short wig. Now I have some more units coming up next, so stay tuned for that, but the link to this will be in the description box down below just in case you want to purchase. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like, subscribe, follow us on all our social media accounts. Everything is at WigTypes, and I'll see you guys really soon. Bye.